You first start with creating your desired design and saving it as a PNG or JPEG. You then go to this website and convert it into an SVG. Once that's done, you can download it and save it. After that, open the Bamboo Studio app and import the SVG. Resize it to your desired size. Keep in mind, as we are printing on nylon tulle fabric, we will be setting the Z-axis height to 1.2 mm. Keep the default settings as it is. Make sure your nozzle is set to the nozzle size of your printer. The only setting you want to add is the ironing setting. Search for ironing. Go on ironing. Click on no ironing topmost surface. Keep the remaining settings the way it is. Once you slice the file, go on the right hand side and go to layer number 4. Right click and add a pause. After this, slice your file once again. Send it to print. On the pause layer, don't forget to add your nylon fabric and pin them down with magnets. Cut the excess fabric. The envelope is ready.